I am really excited to introduce you to my brand new workshop, Prints and Patterns. We're gonna go beyond the candle in this workshop. I'm gonna be showing you some of my favorite, more intricate candle patterns, along with how I spotted the last two corrections, the June and the August 2015 corrections, before they happen by using prints and patterns together. On August 5th, we spotted 4 quadruple gravestone doji patterns across the entire market. The Dow Jones, the Nasdaq Composite, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000. I also put up the charts for all the ETFs that go along with these guys, the DIA, QQQ, the SPY, and the IWM. Now you can see they're all showing gravestone doji patterns. Does it get better than this? Of course it does. We have sell prints that day. Check this out. Just about 12 p.m., I spotted a huge sell print on the SPY. 1.4 million shares at 210.95. Now the SPY was already trading down 50 cents, down to 210.45 when this print came across my block trader. This is how I knew it was selling at the top. If the SPY were trading above 211, I would have assumed it was smart money buying. This was definitely selling, especially because we closed below the print. And I just had to tweet this out as soon as possible. And there's my tweet on August 5th. We call out a lot of big prints when we see them in our room. And here's an example of my call out on that sell print on the SPY. And I said they're taking the SPY back down to the 4 and the 8 EMA. That's a very popular pattern when stocks gap up in the morning to come back down and retest that 4 EMA and 8 EMA on the daily chart. Now, do you see a bullish pattern on the SPY on the daily chart? I see a flag pennant, which is a bullish pattern, but we have sell prints. And remember, prints trump everything. Check out what happened across the board. As you can see, all the major indexes went down the next day. When all the prints align with the patterns, we have a very high success rate trade. Bearish. At this point, we were trading $1 below those 212.03 prints. And here's the head. Here are the left and right shoulders. Prints and patterns are very powerful when used together. According to this pattern, in order to measure what the move down is going to be, we need to measure from the top of the head to the neckline. So here's the neckline. So now let's measure the height. The top of the head, 213.75, the neckline 208.75. So that comes to about $5 move down from the neckline, right down to 203.75. Let's see what happened next. As you can see, the SPY came all the way down to 204 right after those sell prints came in, completing this pattern.